What's good, guys? Today we got maintenance day on the machines. It's about a total of 16 lawnmowers, and we got two mt100s, and then we got 3 bobcats 740s that we all got on maintenance. On the machines we changed the blades, oil, and then on the other ones change the oil, make sure they're all greased up, get them ready for the season. I got most of my fleet here. I got more shit over here. I'm just missing now a truck, and I got my chipper, another dump trailer, and a trailer for my fertilizing. I got all that. I still got to bring that over from my house, but I got most of the fleet here. Just about everything's almost organized, and we're trying to get a head start on this maintenance. And right now we got Jay power washing all the machines, and trying to get started on that right now.
Scolo, it's your turn. T06 going crazy.
So he had like 4 more machines left. They're on the white trailer, and then I'm taking them off from there. And you're gonna see him right now on the left. So you can see he's gonna handle that right now and record it.
Started on the maintenance on these machines. Going to change all the oil on 17 lawnmowers, and we got a fertilizer machine, aeration machine, and he changed all the oil already on all of them. Now we just gotta change. I already changed the blades, and then we gotta clean out the air filter out of here. And then I'll show that process of us doing it on all the machines. We gotta start from those 2 over there. There's some behind the trailer, and then we're gonna just work our way out like that. But it's a lot of fucking machines. I don't know if you had this many, but we're gonna get started with a little time lapse. And on this machine, it's a ZK. They're installing a stripe kit on it, but yeah, that's what we're doing now. We're like about nowhere near halfway, but we get there.
Okay, so part of this process, you gotta clean the air filters on these machines because it's really important. They gotta breathe, and I'm here doing it on literally all the lawnmowers. This thing was kind of dreadful, not gonna lie. It's crazy how much equipment we have. But yeah, here I go going crazy. I'm gonna do that to all the machines, and yeah. All right, so here comes the fun part. This is a 36-inch. I got it on a jack stand. I'm changing the blades to both sides. We use a 15/16 impact socket, and we got a 16 double end wrench on the top to hold the bolt from moving. As you can see, the blade nice and sharp. And we gotta do this to all the machines. Some machines got 3, and if it's a 36 or a 48-inch, they got 2. So here you go, I'm putting it down. There go my bit, bro. So also on most of the machines, we clean under the deck. It's very important to do that. I'm gonna do it right now on this 48-inch John Deere. And you gotta do this because you don't want to see chunks on the yard. If you don't clean it, you're gonna see it, and you're gonna get complaints from the clients, and you don't want that. So yeah, we're doing that right now. And then the rest of the machines I'm gonna do on the rest of the video, they're gonna be mostly like 52 inches, which are 3-blade machines. So it's a light work, man, light work. Alright, so for the rest of the video, I'm gonna do a little time lapse. I ended up throwing my phone on the tripod because it was getting really hectic, and I had to get this shit done this day because we have a lot of work coming. There go my little nephew, and I had my homie Jay help me out on the machine behind me, and we were trying to knock this out as fast as possible. So I had me, Jay, and my little brother Jojo, and you know what I'm saying, we was going crazy.
It's a chili made beat.